Hi, Achim from American Runabouts. The new project, goodie, toy, whatever, the flying saucer. So you may have seen it on Instagram or Facebook. It's a 66, as far as we know, CirCraft. And the unique thing beside the shape is that this little boat has an engine sitting there in the middle, which is fixed, so there's no steering. You're standing in there, you're holding onto that rail, and you maneuver the craft by just shifting your body weight. So pretty interesting. I mean, when you put the CirCraft on YouTube, you'll find actually a couple of cool clips where you can see how this works. I haven't seen any in my entire boating life somewhere in reality, so I'm super happy we got this. And yeah, she's basically in good shape. Obviously, a few things, some fiberglass damage here that, I mean, was roughly repaired, that needs to be done properly. It was a pretty lousy job here. Then the engine mount is pretty rough. I don't know who did this gold thing there. It looks like they just took a cup of paint and just threw it over the boat. There's some pretty bad rust here. So this will be the new exhibition boat for next year's boat show, like the Invader was this year. So I'll guide you through full restoration of this. So strip it down. I mean, there's not much to strip down anyway. I mean, as we do stainless steel railing work and everything, so this will obviously be new. And these strange cushions or whatever that should be here, it's actually hard, not soft at all. It's gonna go. She'll get a paint job. And we'll build a custom trailer for it. So if you've seen the custom trailer that we made for the Invader and you like the build, you will love this even more. There's already a pretty solid plan on what we're going to do with her. And yeah, then next spring, summerish, I'll show you how this thing works on the water. We have a super nice 50 Mercury sitting in the shop that's roughly the same age. That should look awesome. I've seen them up to 40 horses, so I mean, 10 more can't hurt probably. And just from the look, it will be the perfect engine for that. If you wonder, the engine control then comes here. So actually you shift like this. And gas tank goes in underneath here. So we have all cool original stuff in stock. And yeah, all the hardware that's missing, I also have. So stay tuned for a cool little project, and in case you want to have a look, shall we give them a look, Aaron? Yeah,
quick look.
That's just the storage. There's a couple of more cool things flying around. Most of you that follow us have seen Moneypenny. She's actually in restoration at the moment. Behind there, very, very cool, is build number 1, CirCraft XK22, fully restored, like brand new. Unfortunately, we can't really access her right now, but complete new upholstery, everything redone. The windscreen is also new, it's actually sitting in our workshop at the moment. But an awesome boat, and as I said, I mean, it's build number 1 from, I think, 230 ever made. We have all the documents, all the papers, so that's a very, very unique boat. And she's actually for sale. Not sure yet what we do. If we sell her, the engine's actually completely redone as a 5.7 liter Volvo Penta, but we also thought about electrifying her because obviously the situation in Germany is getting more bad all the time. On most of the lakes you can't drive fuel engines anymore, so an electrified CirCraft might hurt some of you, me actually too, but if that's the way to get it back on the water, that might be the idea. Then we have pretty nice 67 Draco sitting here under the cover. There's a Slickcraft behind it that I think we can't really access at the moment, but that's also a really cool boat, 20 feet. Slickcraft there in the middle, that's actually also for sale. Yeah, and a few other goodies sitting around, so stay tuned. There's more stuff to come, more restorations coming, and right now We will focus on this little UFO and show you more in the near future. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.